Hey guys, welcome to the live stream yet again. Put a wee bit of music on. So this is a market review, live. The date is 28th of 8th, 2022. We'll be looking at six pairs. Because that's all I really trade. It'll be USD CAD, USD GPY, GBP USD, GBP GPY, EUR USD, EUR GBP, and that's it. The stream will be about 15 minutes to 30 minutes long, and that should be enough time. So let's get started. Maybe less than that. Hang on. Right. So here we are in USD CAD, 15 minute. We've got the 5M. So this was that was a trade for the day. Do we recap of these? So ignore this. I can't remember how this came about. But anyway, so far we've took this trade, break even, small. That's a B trade. A loss. Small one, big loss due to some lot size mishap or something. I don't know. Or maybe I just didn't TP. I can't remember. Three ones. Small one here. 2 TPs. Or closed early, can't mind. But anyway, the idea is to run this count back up to 100k. Remove this. So we got on here. Had a late night. The 1 hour time frame. There's a gap here. There's a gap here. There's also a gap here. I don't really actually need to put these in because it's donated by the or it's shown by the indicators, these green boxes. Those are gaps present. There's a lot of news to come out the next week in September, so it's probably better to go to the daily. So obviously there's been a downtrend for some time, since 2020 till June, and it started curving back up. So there's still a lot of liquidity in these areas. It could be targeted. There's a lot of imbalance as well. Gaps. Maybe fault here. There's a small gap here. See it? So on a daily time frame, so USD CAD could be heading back up. Right, we'll remove the drawings. Big wick here. Then there's also relative equal highs. So that one's been cleared by this one, but relatively equal, so it'll still be a target. You can see it's a bullish move past the previous 2 days, so I would expect it to come up and take liquidity for here. Possibly a pullback before heading up to take that high there at 1.31358, and there's also one above it at 1.32237. I'm not really digging the tunage on this channel. I'm going to change it. Right. So they would be your targets for upside liquidity. Obviously downside would be 1.28954 and 1.288 1.28807. You don't really need to look at any other lows there. We'll drop down. So if there was going to be a pullback, it could possibly be into one of these fair value gaps. And it's clearly it's due a pullback in it. So bullish up, some sort of pullback. So we'd be looking possibly here before I move up. To clear this. unless it's going to remain quite bullish. I mean, we'll pull back until it takes the high. So that's something to watch for. Could pull all the way back in here. So that's USD CAD. Playing it on the I would expect some sort of pullback to grab this liquidity. Also a fair value here, to be filled. So predicting is probably unlikely. It's taking this low. Let's say a pullback, take some liquidity through here, pull back into an FVG, continue up. That'll do the USD CAD, USD Jippy. We did trade this last week. As you can see, it's taking a high at 137.710. Liquidity's been cleared for the bottom before running it. So we'll jump on the daily, clear this. As you can see, there is this high. So it's probably pushing up to take that. You've got a low for that day, which will obviously change when the new day starts on Monday. Sunday night. Liquidity there, and liquidity here. Two highs have been taken by this move. So for upside here, here and here, 127.957. Which is near a whole number. It should be 13800. As you can see here. So that whole number's another possible target. At the high here from where is that? 22nd. Going to the 1 ouch. FVG here. A fair value gap. Some news at 1 AM. This would be Asian session starting. So it might push up and take the other level. So this would be, I would be here now. 37805. For inside this gap would be target for infilled 15 AM. What is that? Showing a wick on the 1H, but there's nothing there on the lower time frame. On the 4H, there's not enough. Don't know if that's some sort of bug. Unless it was a gap up or something. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll put the high up. There's a fair value 137.234. Build up a liquidity here. Some sort of trend line liquidity. That's asking to get run. So you could put a short on when that trend line breaks. Break the line. Target. Possibly in here, fair value. Something like this. That's horrible. Maybe this will be better. Aye. A break, retest, continuation. Might not even retest, might just break, continue down. Something like this. And then the fair value. Could possibly be targeting this wick as well. I'll leave that here. You can see there's a gap up here that's to be filled in the 4H. So upside looks likely. And there's a gap here as well. 4H. You could run high, come back. Continue up. That'll do on USD/GPY. Go to GBP/USD. Well, maybe mark up actually. Sweet. 29th is going to be next. Yeah, hold on, that's for the midnight candle. We'll forum. New York set 7 till 10. Same as this. Midnight. Seven, 10. So let's just mark out the midnight candle, New York kill zone time. Remove these. Din 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 din. Could we trade here? Oh, look at the run. A lot now. Because it came back and tagged there. And shot up, took the highs. I'm pretty much getting at the bottom, yeah. Must have been on a fair value. DP'd far too early. That was maybe a no. Don't know. Doesn't matter. So there's a fair value gaps to the upside here. Liquidity. A lot of sellers to be taken out. Let's go to the daily. A lot of sellers here as well. These lows have been taken. Next low to be taken would be here. So it does look as if it's going to push down, take the lows, and then possibly after that it's a reversal to take out some sellers here, full imbalance, either this one or upside, this one over here. So GBP USD. Yeah, I'll be taking this. That's what I want with. I don't know how much to much data. Downside's been taking it, so I suppose it could still take it previous lows. From the 23rd. Could pull up a fairway gap trap. We'll just roll over. Take it alone and reverse. Just a reminder, I don't have any Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. Won't sell you anything. Won't ask for money or crypto. Somebody asks you, it's not me. News tonight. Maybe not bank holiday. That's right, I think it's a bank holiday on Monday. Yeah. So the UK markets won't be open. There'll be a pool of liquidity down. Shouldn't matter. Still be some price action. Let's move on. GG. I'm gonna move this. We'll just head, if I go for the midnight candle on. Seven till 10. Daylight. So there's relative equal lows here that could be targeted. So high up there. There's also the low for that day. This day's been taken, or the liquidity's been taken for these days. And it's reversed. The next one up here. If it was going to take that, why was it? It would have probably pushed up and took it. So let's say downside's more likely for these. See how that was. Clean it up a wee bit. Would have been a lovely trade here, that. And I thought, you get to go 2 trades out of this. at least. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, following that. We could have had a bit of stuff. Could have just trade set like that. On the edge of the gap. Stop loss above. Target no lows. Nice. Two hard trader. And then another one here. Targeting probably these areas here. It's a small gap there. Probably target that. So that would be 4.80. Now gap here. That worked in now. Should probably go some. And on the closure of this. Above this work. Same as sell. It's a better order though, because it's a bit higher. Of the wick target and you can see it in the root come. Come right into the low. So you had to target possibly these lows here. Sorry, equal. Obviously, if you had a trailed your stapleton, you'd get probably poked out here. So probably about a 3. No. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.80 and 3 trades here. That would be nice. It's on a slightly higher time frame though. That's cool. Still works the same. Just need to wait a wee bit longer. Right, moving on. You see it's pretty structure. You can see it's continuing for a bottom, second bottom, breaking structure to the upside. So you're either coming back up the full gap and then heading down to grab the liquidity for here, or take liquidity from upside. On a higher time frame, you're bearish. You're in a downtrend. Oh, you're kind of just consolidating sideways, but it's primarily in a downtrend here. do for this. Move down to take a lows for reversing. And it's came down to FOREX gap. So overshot it a wee bit. Might be another gap in there. Lower time frame. It's rallied, retraced into a gap. Rallied. New gap. And so yeah. Just remove these. I change this music. That'll do. Some news tomorrow for your bond auction. Cool. Markup daily highs, lows. Good bit of news coming. So there should be volatility. And then next week. So low here. That low's been taken. Fair value's been filled. So downside pressure is more likely, I would say, after filling this gap. It's taking that low already. Trapped it. Tidy up. Sorted. And a low time frame is looking quite bearish as well. Let's see, our low liquidity levels are most likely to be targeted. Continuation down. So a wee way of apology. Keep yawning. A wee way of figured out an easy way to catch one-to-ones. Be quick scalps, one-to-ones. You would want to do this on the 5, I would say. So what we'd be looking for, there's a daily liquidity level here, which price is quite near. So we'd be looking for price to continue to take this liquidity. So you could set something like this, TP here just on the liquidity level, but just below it. But oh, that's cool. Something like that. That's cool. Good enough. Because chances are price is going to continue down to take that before reversing. If there was going to be one, if there's going to be a reversal, takes liquidity for your reverses. It's fault in this gap. This gap's been worked into, so continue. We'll leave this here. See it continuing. Something like that. A bit heavy for me, but sorry if you can hear it banging about. Yeah, we'll move on now. Last pair. Remove drones. Unlock the midnight. Midnight marked. 7 AM, 10 AM marked. And we'll check the daily. Looks like we got a good trade in here. We'll have a look at that recap. Equal highs above. Definitely a target. Strong bullish push up. Target would be here as well. Lows. I don't expect lows to get touched just now. There might be some sort of pullback into fair value before continuing, unless the bullish strongness just continues. Drop on 15. Have a look. Fair value's been full here. Still a bit of a gap there. This one's just been full. Looks as if I could get a push up to take this. That makes sense. It's going to be the draw on liquidity up here. Although there is a trend line here, which I'll extend this up. That looks cool. It's worked through it a few times. So on the break of this trend line, could push up, take liquidity, come back down, break down, and go for sell side. It's also quite an equal base here. So liquidity's got to be sitting under here. Money's sitting here. And here. 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 Our stop loss is going to be set below here. Price might just break down and run them. We'll see what happens. So must have traded here, probably 5 man. I think I've got in on this gap. And then out here maybe. So why not? There's also wicks here, liquidity, stop losses set above, so I would assume it's going to continue up, take daily levels for here, and then maybe reverse. So I'd be bullish on Euro GPY, sorry Euro GBP. Equal highs here as well, see that? But imbalance here. Could be a target. Could be a target for reversal, to be honest. What we'll do is I'll mark that out as a reversal point. Potential reversal. Extend it to the right. Why did that extend? There we go. So price could just work into here, create some sort of reversal pattern on the 1M, 5M. You could be looking to sell for here. I would say it's a good area to sell for. Just not keep back into it for a long time, so I'd say that's probably where you'd be looking to take a short back down possibly clear all this. So stop loss would be just above. Although you would wait for some sort of breakdown pattern to appear, you'd look for some displacement. So a big down candle with a fair value gap. Wait for price to come back into this and then take your sell. So FG, sorry, Mike was muted there. Candle must have an FG. Wait for price to return to new FVG. Stop loss above target low liquidity levels or FVG. So we'll keep that here. As a reminder. But that's about it for just now. I mean, you could set this. You'd probably be better having a bit of a looser stop loss. 12 pips or something. And if this wasn't to break down for this point, if it was to push up into here, then you take your sell to clear lower liquidity. You're looking at a 8.67 now. H. Which is quite good actually. It'll probably take a day or two to, well, it might not, it might take the whole day. It'll maybe take a day or two to come back down. Depends how quickly you want to run it off. We'll leave that there for now. We'll do a 10 pip. Oh. Yeah, that'll do. We'll see what happens with that. So I would expect it to come up, take these levels into the fair value here. Show displacement on a lower time frame. So if you could trap to the 5M, get a selfie here, down to the same level, you can see how you can get very precise. So if this was set on the fair value gap that it created on the 1M or 5M, the stop loss would be a bit smaller. your risk reward would be higher. So we'll leave these here. 1M or 5M, FAG, displacement, trade. See what happens with that. Cool. That'll do for now then. That is the analysis on these. Complete. So we'll just go over them one more time. USD CAD, I would say it's going to continue bullish. You could see a pullback right enough. That does look more bullish than if it's going to hit, if it's going to take lows. It looks as if it will take the highs first, or at least this high anyway. Sorry about the bracket in the background. Let's saw that. USD JPY looks to take the highs as well. Bullish on that. JP USD. Let's say bearish. Take lows. GG looks bearish as well. Looks as if it's targeting these lows. Euro USD, I would say bearish as well, down to these lows. Euro GBP, bullish. So that'll do for the now. Thanks for checking this thing out. Reminder again, don't have any accounts, won't contact you asking you for money, crypto, or sell you any courses. So until tomorrow morning, take care, stay safe, peace out.